aggravate me and upset me, then I'm gonna start looking at P&S like they're not a good trucking service. When I come way out here, be away from my family for 5-6 days or 3-4 months at a time, and I'm not making more money than the people that's going home every day. What's up, gang? This is Lee TV 218 Trucking. Hey, first thing first, I want y'all to go subscribe to my reaction channel, Lee TV 218. Just Lee TV 218. That's L-E-E TV 218. Yeah, we popping it on Lee TV Trucking right now. Yeah, make sure y'all go subscribe to Real Talk Media 218 as well. That's my other channel. Strictly about Kevin Gates. You know how motivational and inspirational, and how he changed his life and things of that nature. But anyway, this day 4 orientation at P&S Trucking. This is my vlog for the day. We ain't really do nothing yesterday, day 3. We got our test results back. We took a test, got them results back. I didn't pass. I missed it by like 1 point, but it's all right. They said I get to retake it today or whenever, so we doing that. Last night we had homework. I don't know what y'all learned doing y'all getting y'all CDL the first time, but we didn't learn the old 2014 CDL pre-trip, pre-test, post-trip. This man had us watching a video from 2014. He said we have a test on it today. I'm hoping it ain't nothing ridiculous, because that's gonna aggravate me and upset me. Then I'm gonna start looking at P&S like they're not a good trucking service. They just put on and pretend to be such, you know, like a fake friend. You know what I'm saying? When you first meet them, you know everything. You see no flaws. Then once you get to know them and you get to talking to them, you can tell that they ain't who they say they are, you know? So, I did have a problem yesterday. Me and one of the trainers, you know, had words. They asked me how much I'm willing to make or what I think I'm gonna make a week. And I put something on there I felt like was reasonable, especially for being a flatbed driver. And this man was mad at me because I'm highly motivated and inspired by myself. Like my confidence, my self-confidence is through the roof. You know what I'm saying? And I guess they just used to people not having that much self-esteem about themselves or not believing in themselves like I do. I mean, I came from, you know, the streets, and I came from the streets and now I'm doing something positive. So, plus I'm an entrepreneur. I have 6 businesses, 6 endeavors. This will be my 7th one. Then I'm not gonna stop until I start making $100,000 to $20,000 passively every month or residually. So yeah, but back to what I'm saying. He told me that what I put on the paper was like I put 10,000 a week or something. I ain't even put no 10,000 a week on there. You know what I'm saying? I put 2,000 a week. I want to make 2,000 a week. He got mad at me and told me that's impossible. Well, look, dude, if I can't make 2,000 a week, I don't believe flatbed is for me. Well, I don't believe P&S Transportation is for me, because if I'm driving flatbed and refrigerator drivers are making 2,000 a week or 1,500 a week, and local drivers are making 1,500 a week, why would I come way out here, be away from my family for 5-6 days or 3-4 months at a time, and I'm not making more money than the people that's going home every day? I'd rather stay home, put in a 10-11 hour shift, and make that 15 to 2,000 a week and be home with my kids every day. You dig what I'm saying? Like, that don't make sense. So me and him got into it about that yesterday. He kept trying to tell me that based on the mileage I'm gonna run, that's impossible. I'm steady explaining to him I don't get paid by the mileage. I get paid off the percentage of the load. Then he goes to try to tell me that the load, you don't calculate it up like that, or I don't know how to calculate. Man, listen, man, one thing for sure, two things for certain. I may not be the best speller, but when it comes down to that math and that calculator, I know how to do everything I need to do to make sure my funds are right. You understand me? So I don't know what he got going on, or how did he even come up with that idea that was gonna be okay to say to me. Like, I don't know where that came from, but I stood on 10, stood on my ground, and let them know what it was, what it is, and what it ain't gonna be. You know what I'm saying? So that's one thing I did not like, and I do not like about P&S. They talk a good game, like they really ready for you to make some money and got your back. But yesterday it didn't seem like that. It did not seem so. And I was walking around, you know, being nosy, looking at other people's paper. And I seen somebody say they'll take $650 a week, $750 a week. I'm like, bro, you're gonna be gone from home for 5 days, and the only thing you want to do is make $650 a week or $750 a week. Dude, you could have stayed at home and went to McDonald's or something, or your local warehouse, and made that, maybe even more. You know what I'm saying? Like, that didn't even make sense. But, you know, was one man trash is another man trouble. So I can't sit here and say that ain't a lot of money. Maybe they don't have no bills. Maybe they don't have any kids. Maybe they don't even have a car or somewhere to live. You know what I'm saying? Maybe they living off somebody and they believe that that's a lot of money. But to me, that ain't enough money, bro. I got 2 kids myself. I take care of my mom. She disabled. And I have a house. I got bills. I got shit I want to do. I got a dog. Like, dude, I need way more than fucking $650 a week or $950 a week, bro. Like, that didn't make any sense to me. Like, I ain't judging nobody or talking down on nobody or nothing, because, you know, that's Lee don't do that. But what I am gonna say is, don't put me in the same category or the same box as someone else that doesn't want to work or doesn't have the same work ethic that I have. Yeah, we all may look the same, but we're not the same. If we all was the same, the world would be plain. You dig? So, yeah, man, this is my morning vlog. I've been up since 5 o'clock this morning, Eastern time. So Central time, that's like 4 o'clock in the morning. I've been up, did my little 100 push-ups. I'm gonna give y'all some content at P&S today. It ain't gonna be too much, but it's gonna be a little something so y'all can see what the building look like and what the training facility looks like. So y'all can know what y'all really getting into before y'all decide to come to this trucking company. I'm one of them truckers that's gonna give you the real. I'm one of the men that's gonna give you the real. I ain't gonna fake it or flaunt it to you. Yeah, I'm gonna tell it exactly like it is, not what I want it to be, but what it is. You dig what I'm saying? And then, you know, I'm gonna give my opinion because it's my channel, so you know how that work. You dig? Hey man, stay tuned for what's next. Yeah, we here at P&S Terminal. You know what I'm saying? Day 4, we walking across the street doing another pre-trip check. Yesterday we fucked with that. About 45 minutes. They gave us 30 minutes a day. You know what I'm saying? This terminal over there in the background. That's what you see back there. Shit, you see the trucks across the street. So that's what we doing now. You know what I'm saying? The pre-trip. You know your boy fresh. You know your boy fresh Devonil. You know, fresh as a bitch. You know, let me. Yeah, you know, I'ma pop my shit how I pop my shit when I pop my shit every time. You dig what I'm saying? Yes, sir. You know. Uh-oh. I was covering up the mic, so y'all probably couldn't hear me, man. Man, we at P&S Terminal. Got down doing a pre-trip check. Fit check first. You dig? Pre-trip check. You know what I'm saying? We popped it out yesterday and did a pre-trip check. We're gonna pop it out today and do one. Oh, my truck down here. I'm walking to the wrong truck. I'm talking too much. Walk my ass down here. I forgot my belt, so I'm steady pulling up my pants. But yeah, man, this Lee TV 218 trucking. Today, July 3rd. We all work tomorrow. I'm trying to decide if I'm trying to see if I'm gonna drive all the way back to Mississippi from Savannah, or do I want to just sit at the hotel and chill. Either way it go, I'm gonna continue to vlog. Y'all gonna get the day-to-day experience with your boy, with your kid. Lee TV 218. Yeah, man. So that's what's going on. P&S Transportation, man. Like I said, man, the only thing I disliked about it was the dude Travis yesterday. Well, I ain't gonna put his name out there. I ain't no lame name drop. But one of the people was telling me that what I put on my paper was a little too high. But when I do the math, see, 80,000 a year, that's like 1,600 a week. You know what I'm saying? 70,000 a year, 75,000 a year, like 1,500 a week. Man, whatever float your boat, man. What work for one man may not work for the other. You know what I'm saying? So don't get discouraged by the next man because he don't want the same thing as you. You know, always stay motivated, highly driven, always have self-confidence, and strive for what you want, man. Hard work pays off, no matter what they say. Check out the pond right there. They say we can go fishing in that bitch. You know, I'm thinking about going fishing. I might go fishing one of these days. Go get me a reel. You know what I'm saying? I might use one of y'all for some bait. I'm just bullshitting, but yeah, man. Anyway, let me get over here with the game, man. Put them balls on camera one time, but not really. Just trying to show y'all the truck and shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I'm out. What's up, gang? Day 4 recap. Shit, we got checks today for people that drove the POVs. That means provided your own vehicle. And we got checks for food. Everybody's check wasn't the same. A lot of people were pocket watching in that job, but that's cool. That's okay. You expect that. Got a lot of homework to do. A lot of homework, man. If you haven't got your tax certificate from trucking, make sure you get online and get your tax certificate, because you are required to have that. It really ain't nothing. If you know, you know. If you don't, I ain't finna tell you. Go get it off somebody else's channel, because I ain't no rat. You did. But anyway, Jew, I know my desk probably look a little messy, but we ain't tripping. That ain't nothing but water, homework paper, USB cord, belt, and what else right there? My gloves. So it's really not messy. It looks so deceiving. So never judge a book by its cover. Always open the book up and read it and get your own insight on what's going on. Because one man's experience is not the next man. One woman's lie is not the next woman's truth. You dig? And anyway, I was going off topic. But back on topic about P&S Transportation. Day 4, we got checks. We got a bunch of homework to do from something called Driver Gold. It's like over 100 sections. Basically, it's almost the same thing as you did before you came to P&S Trucking. It's just like 50 more. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm gonna be on today. We went out last night, hit the club up. You know what I'm saying? I ain't see no bad shits in there at all. Savannah, Georgia. Hey, if y'all out there, let me know where y'all at, cause I ain't see no bad shits out there last night, man. I seen nothing but. I don't talk bad on people. We gonna just say that I ain't see nothing but. You dig what I'm saying? No bad shits for sure. Nothing bad. I ain't even see average. I seen below average out there. You dig? To my special when the lights went on and you got to really looking at them hoes. Boy. But anyway, man, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all trucking experience was, if it was good or bad, and let me know in the comment section if you like these videos. I really don't give a damn if you like them or not, because I'm gonna keep dropping them. You know what I'm saying? Big dude, I'm out.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Lee TV 218 reaction channel. Join us for lots of laughs and jaw-dropping moments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe or more awesome content.